The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a modern revival of the iconic classic, blending vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Originally produced between 1955 and 1974, the Karmann Ghia was a symbol of style, affordability, and German engineering excellence. Now, in 2025, Volkswagen has brought it back with a fresh design that respects its heritage while embracing the future of mobility. At first glance, the new Karmann Ghia captures the essence of its predecessor with smooth curves, a sleek silhouette, and a timeless coupe body. However, instead of the air-cooled rear engine layout of the original, the 2025 model features a fully electric powertrain. Volkswagen has equipped it with a state-of-the-art battery pack, offering an impressive range of over 300 miles on a single charge. The electric motor delivers instant torque, allowing for quick acceleration while maintaining the quiet and refined ride expected from an EV. One of the most striking elements of the new Karmann Ghia is its modernized yet retro-inspired design. The classic round headlights have been updated with LED technology, while the signature front grille remains minimalistic, reflecting the car's electric nature. The body maintains its classic curves but incorporates aerodynamic improvements to enhance efficiency. Flush door handles, a sloping roofline, and a streamlined rear end give it a contemporary yet nostalgic appearance. Inside, the cabin combines luxury with simplicity. Volkswagen has embraced a minimalist approach, with a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The materials used in the interior include sustainable leather alternatives and recycled fabrics, reflecting Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability. A mix of soft-touch surfaces and brushed metal accents enhances the premium feel of the cabin. The seating position remains low and sporty, reminiscent of classic sports cars, while modern comforts such as climate control, ambient lighting, and an advanced sound system ensure a pleasant driving experience. Performance-wise, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is no slouch. It features a rear-wheel drive setup, staying true to its roots, while an optional dual-motor all-wheel drive version offers even more power and control. The single-motor variant produces around 250 horsepower, enough for a spirited drive, while the dual-motor version boasts 400 horsepower, making it a true modern sports coupe. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just under 4 seconds in the top variant, putting it on par with many performance-oriented EVs in the market. Volkswagen has also ensured that the Karmann Ghia is packed with the latest technology, including advanced driver assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking enhance safety. A semi-autonomous driving mode allows for hands-free highway cruising, making long drives more relaxing. With its revival, Volkswagen